Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this furniture props over here. So let's continue it. So let's go into this, go into file, view image file, and let's take some more references. So first we'll just go into this and complete few of the things which are just left over here. So let's take a cylinder. Again, take a cylinder over here, drag this over here, press E and make this as 0. So I'll just make this as a bit straight. So what I can do over here, I can just slightly reduce this height segments, convert to editable poly, select the polygons, give a bit of inset, slightly give bevel and push it inside. So I can just make a cup over here if required. So we can just, it's very simple. If you want, you can use this method. Let's just take this teapot over here and I'll go into this and I'll off this property, that's a lead and spout, and let's give a taper modifier. So I'll go into the taper modifier and I'll just assign a bit of curve over here like this. Press R and just scale it, and if you need any more changes you can do those changes. Even we have one more modifier over here, that's your stretch modifier. So you can use a stretch modifier if required over here. So I can just go into this and let's take a stretch modifier a bit. So how much stretch you need, you can take that much of stretch, and if you want you can slightly reduce it also. That's it. Alright. Now again go over here, again take a line, auto grid, let's again take a line tool, we can just make a shape like this, slightly just shuffle this over here, push it behind. Let's give a lathe modifier, set it as max over here. After that let's go into the line, go into the vertex and shuffle this till here. So push it down in this way. Again let's take a fillet. So assign a bit of fillet over here in this way. So drag this till here. So again go into this vertices, push it in this way, select this and slightly give a bit of fillet. So slightly scale this, drag it over here. So we can just adjust it in this way. Perfect. So if you want you can slightly scale it and push it a bit up if required. Now let's again go into file, view image file, and I have saved one more reference. Let's model this over here. It's very simple. So very first of all, let's go into the top view over here. Let's take a line. Take a line over here. Drag it till here. So we can create this sofa cum bed. Go into this. Enable in viewport. Make it as rectangular. Slightly increase its width if required, and slightly increase the length. Push this up. Slightly increase this length again. I can push it inside if needed. Increase its width. So convert to editable poly. So I'll go into this, select this edges, and let's give one connect over here. Select the vertices, push this up. Now what I can do over here is like, it's very simple. We can create this stuff, but we need to put some loops over here. So again, I'll go into the modeling stuff. Better I'll just take this, select this whole thing, and let's give one connect over here. Select this, again give one connect over here. Select this, two connects, shuffle it till here in this one. Okay, so that can be done. So if you want, I can again go into this. I'll put two connects closer to each other, and let's just shuffle it wherever it is required. And also I'll put one connect onto the top over here, so we can just adjust this connect as required. Now after that, again select this, let's give two connects, shuffle it over here, select this, shuffle this over here, select this. So we are putting some, making some changes over here as required. So let's increase the size of it, and let's adjust it accordingly. So now we can just select this part, and let's keep on bridging this. So you can just bridge this area. I'll slightly shuffle it, push it over here, select this and this, again bridge this. So you can do one thing, we can select and make it straighter, make it straight, make it straight, make it straighter, So just make it straighter in this way. Alright, so once it is done, now you can just bridge all of this. Alright, now after that, once this is done, now what you can do over here is like, again I'll go over here, I'll just shuffle this. If you want, you can just make this straighter. Select the top polygons over here, select this and slightly extrude it by local normal. I can assign a local normal over here and let's click OK. So we can definitely put some details over here as required. So that can be done. So again, let's take a line over here. So before we do that, what I can do over here is like, we also have some stuff to be done over here. So let's again connect it, two loops over here. Again, go into this, press R and scale it, press R and scale this. So we'll just scale this first over here accordingly. Now the same way we'll be doing it on the other side also. So let's check that. So select this, scale it, so select this, press this polygons, give the bridge option. So select this and just give bridge. So you can just assign a bridge again over here. So once it is done, let's again take a line which is going to be intersected like this. Select this part, go over here, and let's just mirror it, copy it over here in this way. So we can just do some stuff like this. Press Ctrl and drag it. Again, just push this in this way, shuffle it. So over here now what I'll be doing is like, I'll be slightly shuffling this. So select this, shuffle it over here. Okay. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section. Definitely we'll be scaling this later over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So if any doubts, please put it in the comment section. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.